CyBio SELMA is a semi-automatic pipetting station that can be placed space-saving onto a lab bench due to its compact footprint and design. This tutorial will show you how to change the tips, the consumables for the instrument, and the tip magazines. For tip change, the user presses the Change Tips button in the menu. The tips are mechanically released from the sealing mat, and the tips can simply be removed. The pre-filled CyBio tip tray is inserted into the device. The touchscreen displays Continue. The tips are tightened, and the unit is ready for the next application. The CyBio tip trays are supplied in blisters with following qualities: Standard, PCR certified pre-sterilized, and PCR certified pre-sterilized with filter. Tips are available in bulk bags in standard quality that can be used to manually fill tip magazines made of metal. Alternatively, tips from a CyBio tip tray can be transferred to a metal tip magazine with the help of a tip transfer tool. The metal tip magazines have the advantage of being suitable for repeated use. CyBio SELMA, your personal pipetting assistant. Check out the other tutorials on various topics related to CyBio SELMA.